A or an. Hello kids! In the last class, you learnt 5 vowels and 21 consonants. Today, we will learn the use of a and an. A and an are always used with singular nouns, whether they are objects or living things. Let's learn the use of a. We use a before words that begin with a consonant sound. For example, a book, a chair, a ball, a dog. Now, let's learn the use of an. We use an before words that begin with a vowel sound. For example, an inkpot, an apple, an umbrella, an elephant. Now, tell me which one should we use in these words? That's right, an insect, a tree. I hope you understand the use of a and an. In the next chapter, we will learn about he or she. We will learn about this when we meet again. Nice learning, kids. Good day.